Okay, so ERIRRE review for exam. Your exam is either Thursday or Friday of next week. So let's look at page 1. So you're going to write your chart. Pause. Okay, so right here in your chart, on your first page, you're going to write your chart. So you have an easy reference. So you're going to put je, tu, il, nous, vous, ils. Beak. And ERIRRE, and then write your endings. E. And S, and then nothing. ONS, easy. Oh, green is ugly. Okay. So then you're going to start conjugating. So the first thing you're going to do is drop off the ER. It's an ER, so you're going to look at your ER chart, and you're going to add your stem and your ending. Then you'll cross off your ending. You're going to look at your RE side, bond. Then IR, you're going to look at your IR chart, and then you're going to write FINISSENT. So that's how you do the first page. Then down at the bottom, you're going to look for these terms, the definition, in your IRRE Quizlet, which you can find in the folder on Schoology. And then write your terms out. And then the second page of the review, more terms. This is more of a little practice area. So write your terms right here. And then you're going to do the same thing you did on the first page, dropping the ER and adding the stem and your ending. Then you're going to do the hard part, which is our challenge for French 2. So this is challenging, but we're going to translate. So you're going to define oui. What does travailler mean, work, in math class? Math class. And then the second one, you're going to actually translate. This is the hardest one. So you're going to write out the words, but then don't forget, this is your verb. And don't forget to conjugate it, change it. Put the right ending for new, and then write the rest of your sentence. And then a bonus right here. Good luck.